Students, now next chapter is 7th chapter, coordinate geometry. Very important chapter here. In this basic formulas, whatever you need, that I am giving to you. Okay. So in this basic, what means here? First we should know what is x-axis. X-axis means what? This is very important definition. All definitions and formulas based on this chapter I am giving today. Any horizontal, x-axis means a horizontal reference line is called x-axis. Means what? A horizontal means this type of lines. This is called horizontal line. Horizontal types of lines, whatever, a horizontal reference line is called x-axis. Okay, this type of lines. Next is y-axis. Y-axis, a vertical reference line is called y-axis. Means what? Vertical, these type of lines, this is called y-axis. Sir, vertical means like this, reference means what? Nothing. A vertical line is called y-axis, simply like that only. A horizontal line is called x-axis. Reference means what is the type, how it is, means this type of lines are known as x-axis, this type of lines are known as y-axis. Okay. Next, my important definition is origin. Origin. What is the meaning of origin? The point of intersection. The point of intersection of both x and y axis. If you are combining axis, x-axis, y-axis, x-axis singular, y-axis singular, both axis means plural, x and y axis, axis 9, axis means 2, x and y. The point of intersection of both x and y axis is known as origin. Means what? Suppose this is horizontal line, x-axis, this is vertical line, y-axis, this is x-axis, y-axis. These two lines are intersecting at one point. This point is known as origin. Okay, in this one important point, note the coordinates, co means 2, ordinates means 2 points. The coordinates of origin is, here you see, this is x-axis means this starting from here 0. After you go like this, it will be increasing like this, means 1, 2, 3. If you go this side, -1, -2 like that. Y also it will start from here, it will go like this. Means here 1. Means starting point of x-axis is 0. Starting point of y-axis is also 0. If you combine these two with comma, separate with comma, this is the point of x-axis, this is the point of y-axis. You separate these 2 points with comma and close with one bracket. This type of small bracket or parenthesis bracket. If you close these 2 elements separated by comma and enclosed in parenthesis bracket, this is called origins points. Means here this point belongs for x-axis, this point belongs to y-axis. Means the starting point of x-axis is 0. The starting point of y is also 0. That's why this point is called origin. And at origin, what are the coordinates? Coordinate means what is the point of x, what is the point of y, means the point of x will be 0, the point of y will be 0. We are combining these two and we are separating with comma, and enclosing, we are closing the two elements in one bracket known as small bracket. Small bracket or parenthesis. Parenthesis. This type of bracket. So here origin. Note what means the coordinates of origin. Means the points of origin is what means 0, 0. Here, based on x-axis, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Some important points I am giving to you. Here, this is the point known as origin. The coordinates are 0, 0. Here on x-axis, this is x-axis means here 1 centimeter, means the point will be 1, 0. The point of x is 1 centimeter, the point of y, this is x-axis means only the points of x will be there. The point of y will be what? 0. So here 2, 0. Like that many points will be here. If you go on y-axis, this is y-axis, the point of x will be 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. Like this many points will be. This is the starting point. Positive x-axis, this is. Positive x-axis. This side if you go, this is negative x-axis, that is x dash. This is positive y-axis. If you go down, y dash. Means here the point x-axis only. Here 1, 0, minus 1, 0. Minus 2, 0. Like that many points. This is y-axis 0, minus 1. 0, minus 2. Like this many points will be. Many coordinates. Okay. So here many important points are there. That important points I am giving you. First important point is here. The point on x-axis is. The point on x-axis you see from here to here, from everywhere you see 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Generally what you will write means the point of y is same. X point, y point. Y point is same. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. The point of x is changing. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, like that. Means what? X, 0. Where x belongs to what? Integers. Z. Any integer. You see, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. Generally the point on x-axis is, means you should say x, 0. The point of x will be something, the point of y will be 0. That is the point. Next, second point. The point on y-axis is, on y-axis you see x point will be 0, y point will be minus 2, minus 1, means where y belongs to z. That is okay. Next, third point. Now you see on this x-axis everywhere 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Whose point? Y point. Means the equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Why? Because on this x-axis y point is 0. Fourth point. The equation of y-axis is 0, 0, 0. Whose point? X. X is equal to 0. Fifth point. The equation of line. Parallel to x-axis is. Now you see, this is x-axis. Parallel to x-axis I am drawing one line like this. Here what is the point? 1 comma 2. Here what will be the point? 2 comma 2. Here what will be the point? X is 3, y is 2. If you extend this, what is the point here? 4, x is 4, y is 2. 4 comma 2, 5 comma 2. If you see here, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. This line is cutting the x, y axis at point 2. If you cut here, 1 comma 1, 2 comma 1, 3 comma 1, 4 comma 1, 5 comma 1, like that. If you cut this line at point 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Whose point? Y's point. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Whose point? Y's point. So, the equation of line parallel to x-axis is one point is constant. What is that constant? Means 2 here, 1 here. Why? Because this line is cutting at point 1. This line is cutting at the point 2. That's why the equation of line parallel to x-axis is, it may be 1, it may be 2, it may be 3, like that. So, whose point? Y. Y is equal to k. Means k means this is constant. Next is sixth one. The equation of line. The equation of line parallel to y-axis is, if I am drawing here like this, parallel to y-axis. Now what is the point here? Here, minus 2 comma 1. Here, minus 2 comma 2. Minus 2 comma 3. See, common point is what? Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Why? Because this line is cutting at minus 2. Whose point? Whose point? X point. Is the equation of line parallel to y-axis is x is equal to k. K is nothing but constant. It may be minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, like that. K means what? Constant. Next important points only. Here basic I am giving to you. Now suppose this is x-axis, horizontal line. This is y-axis, vertical line. X dash, negative x-axis. Y dash, negative y-axis. Here origin 0 comma 0, 1 comma 0, 2 comma 0, 3 comma 0. Suppose if I extend going on, now you see. Now you see carefully here, from this to this, how many centimeters? 1, 2, 2 centimeters. Means the distance between the point 1 comma 0 and 3 comma 0. In coordinate geometry, this is the point for x, this is the point for y. This is the point for x, this is the point for y. But here 2 x's, 2 y's are there. That's why what we will do means, for first you will do x1, for first y value y1, second x value x2, second y value y2. If third value is coming, x3, y3. Okay? Now distance from this point to this point is 2 centimeters. Now see carefully how you will get this one 2 centimeter with these numbers. With 0 minus 0, 0 plus 0, 0 you will get. If you add 1 plus 3, 4 you will get. If you subtract 3 minus 1, you got 2 centimeter. How you got 2 centimeter? This 3 is nothing but x2 minus 1 is nothing but what? x1. This is what? Distance. Distance means it will be always positive. In maths, what we will do for positive, sometimes you may get negative number, but distance will be always positive. So to show that distance is always positive, we will write one symbol here. This is called modulus. Single bar bracket. Modulus. Modulus. So what I want to tell with this, the distance between the points, first point, the distance between the points on x-axis is, what is the formula means, modulus of x2 minus x1. I showed you proof also. Same like that only. The distance between the points parallel to x-axis is, now you see, parallel to x-axis, suppose this is the point, here 1 2, suppose this is 3, 0 comma 3, y-axis, no, that's why. Now you tell me the point here, x is 1, y is 3, x is 2, y is 3, x is 3, y is 3. This is plotting. Now you see from here to here distance 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter. From which point to which point? From 1 comma 3 to 3 comma 3. How much? Distance is how much? 2 centimeter. Now how you will get 2 centimeter? You see. Suppose this is x1, I told you. This is y1. This is x2. This is y2. 3 plus 3 6. 3 minus 3 0. No. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 2 u1. Means this 3 is nothing but x2. Minus 1 is nothing but. So the distance between the points parallel to x-axis, if you are drawing one line, on that line if points are there, for that points also the distance formula is between the points parallel to x-axis is also modulus of x2 minus x. Okay. Next, third point. The distance between the points on y-axis is, now y-axis I am taking. See here. What is the point here? 0 comma 1, 0 comma 2, 0 comma 3. From here to here, what is the distance? 1, 2. Now what, from where to where? 0 comma 1 to 0 comma 3. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Distance is 2 centimeters. How you will get? 3 minus 1. But 3 is what? y2. 1 is what? y1. Distance means modulus. Is modulus of y2 minus y. Same fourth point. The distance between the points parallel to y-axis is, suppose y-axis, I am drawing y-axis parallel to y-axis. Now here minus 1 comma 0, suppose this is minus 2 comma 0. Now here the point is minus 2, x point is minus 2, y point is 1. Minus 2, 2. Minus 2, 3. Now from here to here, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Which point to which point? Minus 2 comma 1 to minus 2 comma 3. Distance is how much? 2 centimeters. How you got? From 3 if you take out, this is what? x1, y1, x2, y2. 3 is what? y2. 1 is what? y1. Distance, not distance. If you draw parallel line to y-axis also, the distance between the points on this line, parallel line, is what is the formula means? Modulus of y2 minus. 4 important points. The distance between the points on x-axis modulus of x2 minus x1. The distance between the points parallel to x-axis modulus of x2 minus x1. The distance between the points on y-axis modulus of y2 minus y1. The distance between the points parallel to y-axis modulus of y2 minus y. Now here, modulus, see carefully, fifth point I am giving. Suppose modulus of minus 10 you got. So answer what you should write is 10. Distance negative, no. Modulus, definition is there modulus, but simply modulus of negative number is also positive. Some students will ask, sir, modulus of 10 is how much? Positive, no problem, positive only. Positive only. If negative is coming outside the modulus, when it will come, it will become plus only. This is very. Modulus of minus 20 is equal to plus 20. Modulus of minus 30 is equal to 30.